Hello everyone, this is ShinGodzilla2007, and today, I will be doing another Ravenfield video. I know I hadn't done one of these in probably a while, but someone requested it again, so I will definitely do this, and this will be a series. I focus a lot on Godzilla stuff, because that's what my channel is mainly based on, but I do like other video games, so, this will definitely be one I continue. So, anyways, what we're doing today is going over the transport helicopter. And I'm not sure if this is a new update or something I just didn't see the last time I did a Ravenfield video. So, I was just switching out the mods and stuff like I usually do on these kind of games. And then I saw it, and that's basically what I thought. I just thought, either I didn't see that last time, but they added it. So, I also learned how to use the parachutes. I looked it up, and I found out how to use it. So you press, if you fall out or jump out of an airplane or helicopter, you press the space bar. So anyways, I'm going to be on the Eagles team. And, no, actually I'm going to be on the Raven team, because that's the only one I've seen the transport helicopter on. So I'll be on that one. And I think it's over here. So I'm going to go over there. And again, I said this before. Please don't take my helicopter. Sorry. Let's see here. Why are they on top? Wait, what? They just... Okay. I'm gonna ignore that. Finding the laws of physics there. I really hope someone doesn't decide to use an NC-15 Phoenix, because that's basically a nuclear laser. So, I'm going to lower my altitude a little bit, but I'm not gonna touch the ground. And we're gonna fly at a low altitude, trying to avoid gunfire. And I'm going to see if I can attack the airfield without getting anti-aircraft fired. Okay. Whoa, I saw a rocket. Nope, that did not go as expected. That did not go as planned. That did not go how I wanted it to at all. In any way. They should be shooting right now. Why are they not shooting out of the... You know what? Exit parachute. How? I was inside the helicopter. It left me inside the helicopter. Why would it do that? Okay. Where's the tank? I want a tank. Give me a tank. Or that's fine. An attack helicopter. Okay. Oh, I thought that was an enemy. No, it was not an enemy. It was not an enemy at all. So, I'm gonna go up to this. I'm pressing the wrong buttons. Okay. So, they decided to use the NC-15 Phoenix. Yeah, that's from a mod I have. I forgot to disable it before I recorded this. Now let's see how they do against missiles. Wait a minute. Come on, attack, attack. Come on, I could have hit him. No, he tried to shoot me with the bombs or something. Come on, hit him. No, I think I accidentally hit a friendly base. Oh, that's perfect opportunity. That someone just kamikazed him. That's fine. Okay. So I think I'm using the parachute right now. Yeah, I'm using the parachute, but the problem with the parachute is that it's really easy to get sniped. So there's still no tank. I wonder where it is. Did another one go off? Yep, it did. Those are fine if we leave them there. Oh no. I just saw one go off. Okay. None of those hit him. I'm kind of surprised, and I'm kind of not surprised. Whoa, I just saw, like, there's two of them that just went off right there. Okay. That was cool, and, not unexpected at the same time. Oh, yes! Okay, I've disabled the anti-aircraft for at least a little bit. Whoa! That was close. That was so close. And don't you dare get in that turret. I want to destroy that turret. Yes! Destroy AA. I feel like that should have said AAA, but it said AA. Spin. Spin. Parachute! Does he not know how to use it? Anyway, so, where did that helicopter go? Anyway, so, I didn't really get to properly show the transport helicopter, and I'm not sure where it is right now. That may be it, way over there. Yeah, that's it. It's going down. It's spinning. Let's see here. I'm gonna go around and let's see. I really don't want to go through those explosions, but I've been waiting this whole time to get the tank, and I finally got it. Why is this lagging so much? I have a gaming computer. I mean, seriously, look at this. Look at the frames. Does it say 12? I don't think that's 12. That's like 20 frames. It's not 13, because it says 13 now. No. We went right through that. Okay, that did not work. No, don't hit the rock. Okay, that's fine. Let's see, is that a blue? Yes, it is. Oh, that was so close, too. Nope. I just saw a nuclear bomb go off again. Get an idea. So what I'm about to show is not that nuclear one, but it's a different nuclear. Yes, at one point I actually searched up nuclear. Here it is. Armageddon RML. So I'm going to respawn here. And why is this that looked ridiculous. Okay. I'm sorry. Why are the frames so low? Okay, this is way too laggy. I'm gonna end up having to end this. I'll probably make a second part to it. I'm sorry, but this is gonna have to get cut short because I'm gonna have to figure out what's making this lag. So, I'll see you all next time. Bye.